coming up with another big video. And today's video we are going to talk about forex analysis. That's what we are going to talk about. We are not going to waste time because we don't want to make the video too long. It will be boring if it is long. Now we just want to go into our video and start immediately. We are going to talk about forex analysis. What is forex analysis? Forex analysis. What is forex analysis? Forex analysis is just a way of examining the market to predict the future trends in the market. Now we have three types of forex analysis, or three examples of forex analysis. Types of forex analysis. Types of forex analysis. Forex analysis, guys. Now we have three types of forex analysis. We have technical analysis. We have technical analysis. We have a second one. We have a fundamental analysis and fundamental analysis. Then we have got sentiment analysis, which is the sentimental analysis. Sentiment analysis is also the sentimental analysis. These are the three types of forex analysis. For you to determine the future price movement, you always go through these analysis in the market. When your analysis of the market goes hand in hand with this all the above mentioned analysis, you are going to win that trade, which means you are going to win that trade. Now today we are not going to talk much into this. We are going to today I planned that we talk about technical analysis, because very many forex traders, they base their future trends, so they base their analysis mostly on technical analysis, or they base their trade mostly on technical analysis. But your trade should be based on these type of analysis so that you can be safe in the market. We'll be talking about all these analyses, but today we want to start with the first analysis, which is the technical analysis. Guys, stay tuned. Technical analysis. This is the first analysis we're gonna look at. We're going to look at the technical analysis. Yes. Let me change the sorry. Now we want to start with the technical analysis. That's what we are going to start with. Now what is technical analysis? Because somebody might be asking, Ngala, what is technical analysis? What is technical analysis, Ngala? Now technical analysis is the use of pattern. Technical analysis is the use of pattern. Is the use of pattern in data to identify trends and make prediction. In data to identify trends and make predictions. Guys. and make predictions. Now this is the technical analysis. It is the use of patterns, and when we are talking about data, here we are talking about the price movement, in this scenario. Movement, full stop. Sorry guys. So now the next thing we are going to talk about, which is very key, is the principles of technical analysis. No one will tell you about these things, because if you are a forex trader, there are some things you need to know. What you need to know about the technical analysis, I call them the principles. These are the key things, the principles of technical analysis. The principles of technical analysis. What are the principles of technical analysis? And this one is where we want to go deep. The first principle is called the trend continuation. Trend continuation. The first one is the trend continuation. Trend continuation. What is the trend continuation talks about? Because we will never be taught about this in any place. It is only taught in this mentorship. We will not get it anywhere. Now, what is the principle of continuation talking about? The principle of continuation states that trend is likely to occur or continue than a reversal. It says that when the price is on a given trend, the likelihood that the trend will continue is more than a reversal. What does this thing mean? It means that when you are looking for an entry in the market, always obey the price continuation. Obeying, which means first take into consideration the price continuation. I mean, always first what we need to take into consideration is the price continuation, guys. That one is what you need to take into consideration first, is the price continuation. If you have taken price continuation into consideration, there is no way you are going to be caught on the reversal of the market, or you are going to be caught on the opposite of the market. Another thing is called the momentum always precedes price. Momentum always precedes price. What do I mean with this? When I talk about the momentum always precedes price, it means that for a momentum to occur, which means that the price must have occurred. Let me say, for you to identify this one is a bullish momentum, which means you have considered the past price movement. The past price movement for you to show you that this is a bullish momentum. I think you have understood that. The third one is the trend is the basic unit of market movement in a move. The basic unit of a market movement is a move in one direction. like the basic unit of market movement is a move in one direction, then a pause, then a move in opposite direction. I can't be able to type this. It is the basic movement. It is which means that the market will move in one direction, pauses, then move in opposite direction. You have to understand that as a trader. When the market pauses, it doesn't fully mean that there is a reversal or what, something like that. Another thing you need to know that when the price makes a sharp rise, is likely to continue further in the same direction. It means that when you see a sharp price movement, the likelihood that the price will continue in that given direction is higher than a reversal. Then there's something I also need to tell you, which is and this one always affect very many people. Counter trade, about the counter trade. Some people always you do what we call a counter trade, and a counter trade always gets you emotionally charged, which means you will love to trade each and every time, which makes you to lose, will make you to lose your money in the market, and it makes you to lose your money in the market. Now always avoid counter trade. The next thing we are going to look, I think these ones are the principles. There are three other principles I've talked about, but I haven't typed them. Two other, because of the time. We are moving the time. Now there are some other things we want to talk about. What you should look in the technical analysis. The categories of technical analysis. How is the technical analysis categorized? Technical analysis is categorized in four categories. We have the trend indicators. What we will look at the trend indicators when you want to do a technical analysis. Trend indicators. Another thing you need to know is the momentum indicators. Momentum indicators. Trends, I've always told you how to look at the trend, the momentum. This one is just but a revision, because in the previous videos, if you have not watched the previous videos, kindly go and watch them, because we have been explaining a lot of things in those videos. The next category is the volatility indicator. Volatility, we will be talking about everything here. Volatility indicators. Then we check about the volume indicators. The volume indicators. Trend indicators, those ones are like we will be talking about the trend indicators, we'll be talking about the momentum indicators, but for now, we want just to talk about technical analysis in general. It means that when you want to do a technical analysis, you have to know the trend of the market, you have to know the structure, and you have to know the volatility of the market. Volatility, how is the pair volatile? Is the pair volatile moving quick, or it is not moving faster? You have to know. We have talked about the structure, we have talked about the trend, the volatility, and you have to make these principles into consideration. There's a principle of continuation. When you find the market in a given movement, there is a likelihood that the market will continue moving in the same direction. And another thing, the momentum always precedes the price. The price, you will only determine a given momentum after looking the previous price movement. Today, we were talking about the technical analysis, and the next video we're going to talk about the categories of the technical analysis. We are going to talk about the trend indicator. The next video we are going to talk about the trend indicator, how to check out the trend indicators, or what are the trend indicators and everything, because we want to work on the technical analysis, then we move to fundamental analysis, then sentiment analysis. I hope after all these explanations, you will be able to analyze market by your own. Thank you guys. That one was my time. I'm the Captain Gala. Kindly consider subscribing, sharing, and liking the video. Thank you.